Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Easy craft videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection, you see the top ideas for the Happy Easter beads designs, Happy Easter crafts ideas, Happy Easter handmade beads designs. So hope you like the video. And if you have any problem, then ask me in comment box. Watch my videos on daily basis. This collection is very interesting for you. Guys, I try my best watch to you the bestest collection related to the Easter and the decoration, table decoration, side table decoration, home decoration, inside and outside both. A quality and the quantity related to the Easter festival are available on my YouTube channel. Easy Craft Videos is one of the best channel that provides you the outstanding, the most luxury way to celebrate the each and every festival. So don't go, stay with me with the Easy Craft videos. Thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel. Give your feedback related to this video. Outstanding crafts ideas for the Easter.